Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change oil in a Ford Fusion. First, gather your essential tools, including a wrench, an oil filter wrench, and a drain pan. Next, make sure you have the correct type and amount of new motor oil, typically around 7 quarts for many models, and a new oil filter. Finally, safely lift and secure your Ford Fusion on jack stands, ensuring stable access to the underside of the vehicle. Now, let's drain the old oil. Carefully locate and remove the oil drain plug from the oil pan, allowing the old engine oil to flow completely into your drain pan. This process usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes. Once fully drained, replace the drain plug, ensuring you use a new washer to prevent leaks. Tighten the plug securely to the manufacturer's recommended torque specification. With the old oil drained, it's time for the new filter and oil. Remove the old oil filter using an oil filter wrench. Before installing the new filter, apply a thin layer of fresh motor oil to its rubber gasket. Then, hand tighten the new oil filter securely onto the engine. Finally, carefully add the recommended amount of fresh motor oil, typically around 7 quarts, through the engine's oil fill cap. For the final steps, lower your Ford Fusion and start the engine, letting it run for a minute. Then, turn it off and wait a few minutes before checking the oil level with the dipstick, adding more if necessary. Inspect thoroughly for any leaks around the drain plug and the new oil filter. Also, remember to check the description for links to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Finally, properly dispose of your old engine oil at an authorized recycling center.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.